I bought and tested these budget audio interfaces so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a budding musician, a podcaster, or just someone looking to up their audio game, I've got the lowdown on the best budget options out there. Product number 1, Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen. When I first unboxed the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen, I was struck by its sleek design and compact size. As a guitarist and occasional podcaster, I needed something that could deliver studio-quality sound without breaking the bank. Plugging it in was a breeze. The USB connection was straightforward and I was up and running in no time. Recording my guitar and vocals felt seamless and the sound was crisp and clear, far exceeding my expectations for a budget interface. The preamp quality is top-notch, providing that warm, rich sound that every musician craves. However, I did notice some latency when monitoring through headphones, which could be an issue for some users. On the plus side, the direct monitoring feature was incredibly helpful, allowing me to hear myself in real time without any delay. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for musicians on the go. Pros include its excellent sound quality, easy setup, and portability. On the downside, the headphone output could be louder. If you're looking for an audio interface that won't let you down, the Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen is a solid choice. Its combination of quality, price, and user-friendly features makes it a standout option for anyone serious about recording, whether for music or podcasts. Product number 2, Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen is a significant step up from its predecessor. I was eager to test its enhanced features, especially the high-fidelity recording capabilities that are touted in its advertising. Setting it up took mere minutes, and I was instantly impressed with the intuitive interface. The upgraded preamps provided a noticeable clarity, making my recordings sound professional right off the bat. The software bundle included is a massive bonus. It felt like I was getting an entire studio setup for a fraction of the price. The interface also supports higher sample rates, which is fantastic for those looking to capture detailed audio. However, I did run into a slight hiccup with the driver installation on my older laptop, but once that was sorted, everything worked smoothly. The build quality feels solid, and I appreciated the added features, like the USB-C connection for faster data transfer. Pros include its excellent sound quality, easy software integration, and build quality. A minor con is the initial driver setup, which can be tricky. Overall, the Scarlett Solo 4th Gen is an excellent investment for anyone serious about audio production, providing professional quality at a surprisingly affordable price. Product number 3, Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen. The Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen caught my attention due to its dual inputs, making it perfect for recording multiple instruments or vocals simultaneously. I was excited to put it through its paces. Right out of the box, the 2i2 offers a user-friendly experience. The layout is simple and the controls are intuitive. I loved how easily I could switch between inputs, and the quality of the recordings was stunning. It captures the nuances of my guitar playing beautifully, and the vocal recordings were rich and full. One standout feature is the new Air mode, which adds a bit of brightness to the recordings, perfect for vocals. However, the interface does require a bit of power, so make sure your laptop or computer has sufficient specs to avoid any hiccups. The bundled software is a great addition, providing a comprehensive set of tools for mixing and editing. Pros include the dual inputs, excellent sound quality, and useful software package. A downside could be the need for adequate power supply. If you're looking for versatility and quality, the Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen is a fantastic option for musicians and content creators alike. Product number 4, M-Audio M-Track Duo. The M-Audio M-Track Duo is a true gem in the budget category. When I first plugged it in, I was surprised by how affordable it is given the quality it delivers. It's compact and lightweight, which makes it a great choice for mobile recording. The dual XLR inputs are perfect for musicians who want to record vocals and instruments simultaneously. I found the sound quality to be impressive, with clear highs and solid lows. The included software suite is user-friendly and offers a great starting point for beginners. The direct monitoring feature is a lifesaver, allowing me to hear the input without any delay, which is crucial when recording. However, I did notice that the build quality feels a bit less sturdy compared to more expensive models, but for the price, it's hard to complain. The ease of use and the quality of sound make it a fantastic buy for beginners or anyone looking to record without a huge investment. Pros include its affordability, dual inputs, and ease of use. The only con is the slightly less durable build. Overall, the M-Track Duo is an excellent choice for those starting their audio journey. Product number 5, PUP-GISI Gaming Audio Mixer. The PUP-GISI Gaming Audio Mixer is an unexpected find in the world of budget audio interfaces. As a gamer and podcaster, I was curious to see how it performed. Setting it up was straightforward, and the feature set is impressive for its price point. With multiple inputs, including a 3.5mm and XLR mic input, it caters to various needs from streaming to podcasting. The phantom power is a nice touch, allowing for the use of condenser microphones, which is essential for achieving high-quality audio. I was also pleasantly surprised by the voice changer and DJ mixer effects, which added a fun element to my streams. However, I did notice that the sound quality isn't on par with some of the more established brands, but for casual gamers and streamers, it's more than sufficient. The build feels a bit plasticky, but given its low price, it's understandable. Pros include its versatility, fun effects, and affordability. The downside is the sound quality and build feel. If you're looking for an affordable mixer that brings a bit of fun to your gaming setup, the PUP-GISI is worth considering. In conclusion, if you're on a budget but still want high-quality audio, these interfaces are worth your consideration. Each one brings something unique to the table, so think about your specific needs before buying. Happy recording!